Hi guys! I'm sorry that's really loud. So anyways, I wanted to show you something. I know I've just literally made it a board. Um, okay, just move on. It's not really a good. I just wanted to show you something. Okay, I'm not going to be a fan. So let's go to the next. I think Roxy is really good. Texture more. This is my friend. So, I don't know. I'm not too sure. Okay, yeah, I'm going to so yeah. Take a look. Let's see what we find. So clever, right? We can do that with a video. So I'll try this again. So we're going to get it back to him. And click this. And then let's type in this. Mm. What you think we think? That's the trick there. Okay. Hope we did that. Hope we did that. Do it because it will help you. You might be good. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.